Hello everyone. Today I am here to give you a brief tutorial on Learning Express. This time we are going to focus on getting started with the resume builder. Now for those of you who have been out of work or are seeking new employment, the resume is often one of the more daunting tasks that need to be done. Thankfully we have a resource here to assist you with getting started and able to get that taken care of in very short time. To begin, start from the Kanawha County Library website at kanawhalibrary.org and then go to the Research tab up here at the top of the page. From our Research page, simply scroll down to get to Learning Express Library. After clicking on that, you may need to sign in with your card number and PIN, but otherwise you'll be brought directly to the home page for Learning Express. Now, as we are going to be working with resumes, I always strongly suggest going to sign in/register. And if you have not registered for an account, I would suggest to do so. Registering simply requires you to choose the Kanawha County Public Library from this drop-down menu and then put in the required information. As I already have an account, we'll go ahead and sign in. Now, after you sign in, you'll be brought to the page called My Center. Now, My Center is where it will keep track of everything you have recently downloaded, tests you have done or are working on, other related materials you have accessed. But in our case here, we want to go down to the career dashboard as we have a collection of tools for resumes and letters. Now, all of these will work very similarly to each other, but in this case, we're going to go ahead and work on a resume. We can view resumes or we can create a new resume. In this case, we're going to go to New Resume. And from here, it will coach you through step by step on how to create a resume. We can choose simply, I want to create a new resume, press Start Building, and then we just simply start filling in the application as we see fit. See, it's just a matter of a few clicks, and then it brings us to the sample resumes to show us what a resume could look like after it has been filled out. Learning Express does come with a couple of different options, and it will take care of all of the formatting for you. You just have to simply choose how you want it to look. After you find one you like, you press Use This Look, and then you simply just go through and start adding each individual element here. Now, you don't need to use everything here. You can leave some of these sections blank. Simply click on the arrow up top, and it will have you move from one point to the other. And you simply just fill out the form just like you would with any online application. Once everything has been filled out, you can simply press the Save button, and at the bottom of the page, you will have a Finish and Review. Now, normally, if I had information in here, it would appear here. From this page, you can either press Save My Resume, or you can use it to download or to send it out via email to any individual that may need it or for your own personal records. By having a resume saved either onto your computer, a flash drive, or even in your email, you'll then be able to use it for any other online applications that you may find. That concludes our very brief introduction to Learning Express with regards to our resume builder. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us through our Facebook page or on the chat service available on our website. Take care and have a good day.